Costa Rica, a land where the rainforest meets the clouds, where nature's symphony is a constant hum of life. Today I invite you to journey with me into these lush, vibrant forests. Imagine yourself walking along a narrow path, surrounded by towering trees that seem to touch the sky. The air is thick with the scent of earth and rain, as a testament to the life that thrives here. Listen closely. Can you hear the gentle rustling of leaves, the distant call of a howler monkey? It's a reminder of the delicate balance of this ecosystem. As you move deeper, the forest opens up to reveal a hidden gem, a crystal clear waterfall cascading down ancient rocks. The sound of the water as it crashes and then flows peacefully downstream is nature's own melody, inviting you to pause, to breathe, to simply be in this tranquil haven. Every leaf, every drop of water, every creature plays a vital role. The vibrant green of the foliage and the colorful tapestry of flowers and the fluttering wings of butterflies create a scene of unparalleled beauty. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life as you stand here, enveloped in the serenity of Costa Rica's rainforests. Allow yourself to let go of the stresses of daily life. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun filtering through the canopy. Close your eyes and let the sounds of the rainforest wash over you. This moment is yours, a gift from nature. Embrace the peace, the calm, the serenity. And remember, Costa Rica's rainforests are not just a place, but a state of mind, a sanctuary for your soul. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, stay connected to the natural world around you.